everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we are going to make a fun, interesting, juicy and delicious egg burger. This is super easy to make, so let's get started and check it out. So first we are going to make the omelette mixture. To a bowl, crack open 3 eggs. Add a little salt and a little pepper and whisk the eggs. I'm adding a few vegetables to the egg mixture. Add about a tablespoon of finely chopped onions, about a tablespoon of finely chopped capsicum, a tablespoon of finely chopped tomatoes, 1 small green chili finely chopped. Now, green chili is definitely optional, so just mix everything well. So now our omelette mixture is done. Well, when it comes to fast food, burgers are definitely one of my favorites. What is your favorite burger? Let me know in the comment section. Just adding 2 small cubes of butter. Once the butter melts and the pan is heated, pour in the egg mixture. After about 30 seconds, place the burger bun slices. I've cut the burger bun into half. I'm placing 2 slices on the omelette. Keeping the flame on medium-low, let the omelette cook on all sides. Once the omelette is cooked, gently flip it to the other side. Just gently holding the buns to flip it. Wow, just look at that. Fold the sides of the omelette to the center. Place the cheese slice on one side. Just placing 2 slices of tomatoes. Turn off the stove and gently close the burger from the other side. So there you go, here is our delicious egg burger. Just look at that beautiful layers with cheese, egg and all those nice juicy tomatoes. Make sure to serve it nice and hot as soon as you make it. This is a very quick and easy to make egg burger that you can serve your kids when they're back from school or when they're hungry. It's quite filling and it's really tasty. Well, just look at that juicy egg burger. Whoa, I'm just waiting to bite into it. I can do a happy dance right now because I am happy. Oh, the cheese is all dripping here. Oh my goodness. It's just too good. Fabulous. I'm not going to speak. I'm just going to eat. Oh, that was so good. I loved it. So here is a simple and easy egg burger that you can try. You don't want to miss this. So share this recipe with your family and friends and enjoy. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our homecookingshow.in website.